Hey guys, it's me, Austin, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm opening this big present. Look, there's pictures on each side, but I don't know what it is because I didn't see it yet. So I'm gonna open it. Is it the Y-Bike Explorer?
It is.
Here. You should all look at the picture.
She didn't look at the picture.
She couldn't. Can you open it? Can you get it out? It looks so cool. Yeah. It's blue. Yeah. Or one of the wheels. Or I think you have to attach so we all get it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy.
And this is what it looks like when it's done.
Look at this.
You're not gonna put it together. Oh, it has a lot of zip ties.
I know I've seen it before. Thank you guys for watching. So yeah, that's my birthday present. It's a Y-Bike Explorer.
We'll show it when it's put together.
Yeah. Have an awesome day.